there, Zach.
Hi, Tamar.
In our previous episode, you broke down those two beautiful trevally.
Oh, I did, didn't I?
Yeah, and so we are going to use the fillets from that.
These little guys here?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Look at that. So this is going to be the steak in our unconventional surf and turf.
Yeah, we're doing it a little bit of a reverse style where it's actually the surf is going to be the star of the show.
As it always should be.
As it should be. I'm going to rub those fillets down in a bit of Greek seasoning, and in this I've got some oregano, some dill, some basil, onion powder, garlic powder, and some salt and pepper. So I'm just going to rub that down in this seasoning. Right, so that's all on one side here, and I'm going to put it on the skin side as well. Not as much on this side, but just like a little bit. So we're going to pop this over here, and I'll get you to chop some chorizo for me, which is going to be the turf in our surf and turf. So I'm going to chuck a bit of olive oil in the pan.
There's your sauce.
Beautiful. And I'm also going to put a little bit of butter. I'm going to get you to make us the most beautiful and simple tomato salad, which is just tomatoes, fresh thyme, red onions, red wine vinegar.
Okay. They're like onion battens.
So we are starting this chorizo off kind of nice and slowly because we do want the oils to come out before it's seared. We want maximum flavour coming out of the sausage. You can see the sausage has a bit of colour on it and a whole bunch of the oils coming out. So I'm just going to whack the sausage off.
So we've got our red onions here.
We've got all this lovely chorizo oil in here, and I'm going to add a bunch more butter. Right, I'm going to get this fish in the pan, so skin down, and we've got this kind of brown butter going on, which is all lovely and foamy. Not burnt, just lovely and brown. Get that in there. The fish is just doing its thing very happily.
Yep.
And you can see when I jiggle it,
it's released.
It's released from the bottom, so we're not having any sticky bottoms.
I'm going to just toss this ever so gently. Toss, toss, toss.
Can we put all of this thyme in there?
Do you want me to take the leaves off or just
I would like you to take the leaves off, actually. Our fish is just about done, so I've got this plate here that I'm going to pop it on and just let it sit and rest while we deglaze the pan with some beans and sausage. Take this fish off.
Don't mind me, I'm still over here picking off thyme leaves.
I love that. I would also really appreciate it if you could chop up some of that beautiful flat leaf parsley. That's going to go in at the beans at the end just to kind of add a bit of fresh in there.
Okay.
Right, so back in with our sausage.
Sausage?
That's it. And some beans. We do want to season it with salt, a generous amount of pepper, and olive oil as well if it hasn't already been olive oiled.
This is smelling absolutely bloody phenomenal.
So I'm just going to whack the heat right up now because we're going to go and put some liquid in here so we're not worried about burning the seasoning on the bottom anymore. I'm going to do a glug of wine.
Yep.
And so what that's going to do is bring up all of the herbs off the bottom, and now that's becoming a lovely sauce. In with a bit of lemon. This beautiful parsley that you prepared for us earlier. Ready to plate.
Ready to plate.
And you see how it's like all saucy, but it's not too runny.
Yeah.
We've just got like a nice kind of thick sauce going on. How good.
And then we're just going to come on the top with the fillets.
We're going to come on top with the fillets, yeah. Stunning. And I reckon we're just going to do one last little drizz. And if you've got a couple of them parsley leaves left,
I would love a parsley leaf to go on.
I would just throw it at it. You know what I mean?
Oopsies.
And we're going to do a little squeeze of lemon just over the fish. Lemon and fish, you know, who would have thought?
Cheers, Tamar.
Cheers. Bit of bean, bit of sass. High protein meal. That trevally just makes a stunning fillet.
I'm here for it all day long.
You've done it again, Zach.
See you on the next one, bruh.
Brah.
Bruh.